Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, before we get into last night and over the last few days, a wild end to May, but it's May Statistics Day. It is June 1st, and officially at KCI, our official reporting station, the hottest temperature was on the 16th, 88. The coldest, 34, way back on the 1st. So you don't really plant anything until about May 10th around here. Rainfall 7.04, making it the 23rd wettest since 1889, and May is on average the wettest time of year. We were 1.72 inches above the average of 5.32, and temperature average, when you take the high and low, 64.6, that was right on the average, on the nose. Now, rainfall across the area, kind of interesting, because average is about 5.32. KCI was the highest of these stations we have here, 7.04, Pleasant Hill 665, Olathe 5.38, even St. Joe 5.13. But then you get Lee Summit to Kirksville, Lee Summit, Sedalia, downtown, South Overland Park, Chillicothe, Kirksville there, below average. And Kirksville really dry, only 1.4 inches of rain, about 25% of average. It's kind of drying out in northeast Missouri. And so, yeah, very interesting setup after that very wet April. June started wet in Kansas City. I believe about 1.3 inches of rain fell in KCI after midnight. So that would be counting for June. June is about tied for the average wettest month. May and June are the wettest months on average. I'm trying to say, I think June is just a few tenths less on average. Now here during the morning, during recording this on our Summit Home Skyview Network, it is gorgeous out there. The rain is over. And it was crazy last night. Right around 1:50 in the morning, there was a tornado warning. Southwest Clay County and Northwest Jackson County, but I don't think there was a tornado, but there were some 60, 70 mile per hour winds, even a possible 82 mile per hour wind gusts downtown. And it was mostly north of the river as everything was moving, stayed up there. Southern and central Johnson County had a couple of thunderstorms. Also water rescues as well. There's a flash flood warning, but that is beginning to diminish. As we take a look at the storm reports, there's basically between Parkville and Liberty and up towards Smithville Lake area, you had flooding and the wind and some hail as well. And now the lingering shower there east of Excelsior Springs is moving away. We are now dry for a while. The rain and thunderstorms now into eastern Missouri. And when we look a little farther out, we see the main tornadoes yesterday were southeast South Dakota. Those are some pretty impressive ones. There's also one south of Emporia near Madison, Kansas. That was a brief one, but we didn't have to deal with that. And we are now looking off to the Great Lakes. There's a front. It's coming in from the northeast. We call it a backdoor cold front. And that is going to help dry us out, bring in some drier air. But before it gets here, it's still going to be humid, but the rain is over. As we take a look at the rainfall totals, you can see how it was from the Dakotas to Missouri, but northeast Missouri got missed. Now look at these totals, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain. It is the wettest time of year, but it's been a wet weather pattern. And as we take a look here at the totals around the area, where that tornado possibly was south of Emporia, 9-inch total. Now, these are radar estimated totals for the last 5 days. Your rain gauge may read different. And obviously where those amounts are, not a round Paola 6.6, but it changes almost every block. That's a lot of rain, though, down there. 6.8 northwest of Columbia. Most areas had about 2 to 3 inches of rain, except only a quarter inch there in Kirksville. When you look closer in here at the city, you are looking at about 2 to 4 inches of rain, and they're from Parkville to Liberty to Fairview, 4 to 7 inches of rain, and most of that occurred last night in a couple of hours. That's why there were water rescues. And the lower areas, they're Lone Jack to Odessa, and Pleasant Hill had about a total of 1 to 2 inches of rain, 4 to 5 inches of rain in southwest Johnson County. So what is next? Well, we're still going to be humid today in the mid-80s, but here comes that backdoor front. They generate some thunderstorms in southeast Missouri, and watch this. Tonight, a huge area of rain and thunderstorms forms out in the western plains, and it looks like it's coming right for us. It's moving east, while the backdoor cold front is moving west. And by tomorrow morning, the backdoor front will get here, and based on the upper levels and a little bit drier air moving in, the rain falls apart. We may get a shower or a sprinkle tomorrow, but it's probably going to be west of Topeka. And the front's still not here tomorrow evening. It's just getting here, so it's still humid tomorrow, but we'll have decreasing humidity, making for a very nice and comfortable Wednesday. So when is the next chance of rain? Well, it is not on Wednesday. A lot of rain and thunderstorms out west. There's another weather system we are watching to the southwest, and we're going to be protected with drier air and a little bit of a ridge until Thursday night. And then here we go again, Friday and Saturday and Sunday, several rounds of rain and thunderstorms. 99% of them will not be severe, but like this last weekend, we had the 1%, and it was kind of a mess up in northern Missouri. So you can't rule out a few hours of severe weather in some small area. But overall, the severe threat is low, but the flash flooding threat is high. And I always say flash flooding kills more people per year than tornadoes and lightning. So we'll have to watch for that. And it's not going to rain every hour over the weekend. There will be dry hours, but timing them out will be difficult more than a day or two in advance. So when you look at the rainfall forecast through Thursday, the little rain to our east is what's exiting now, but there it is all to the west. But when you add in Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yeah, here we go. More rain everywhere, 1 to 4 inches of rain, mainly west of the Mississippi River up there in northern Illinois. But yeah, and hopefully northeast Missouri too. They desperately need it. So for today, not desperately need it, but they're starting to need it because it has dried out with that dry May, and then they got missed here with this last period of rain. So 84 to 88 today, still warm and very humid. And then tonight, 80s dropping to the 70s this evening. It'll be a nice evening, but humid. Then a calm night. No big thunderstorms, no thunderstorms. And then tomorrow, it is pretty nice. 80 to 85. We'll have a lot of clouds around, mainly high clouds, some of those anvils from the west. There may be a rain shower that sneaks in here, but it's probably going to be west of Topeka, and the humidity will be decreasing gradually through the day, making for a nice Wednesday with a low around 60, maybe 50s in northern Missouri, and it holds into Thursday morning, but then here comes the humidity, and here comes the rain and thunderstorm chances, especially Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Have a great day and week ahead. Stay healthy.